US 377, just east of that a half mile, and right there, 3570. Look at there's the tornado. It's lifted north now, another half mile. Folks, it's not moving fast. It's right, there it is. It's right there. There's your tornado. Okay, so Seminole, you're out of the tornado, obviously. It's to your north. If you're still watching us on your phone, in Seminole, you're okay. But remember, if you're going to walk outside, power lines are down. Assume they're hot. Even though they look like they're down, the power's out. You don't know that. Do not walk over near anything. Power lines, okay? If you're walking out, don't forget to put shoes on and boots on because there's going to be a lot of debris.
Back on the ground,
You will cut yourself. You will cut your feet. Let's go back to Jim Gardner and get an update from Jim. There it is, Jim, right there, just north of town. Take it, Jim Gardner.
Well, that's right, David. It's another one that has dropped out. It's not the big one. This is another one that is just now formed. I mean, the big one is still, it's to the right of this one and back in the rain there. This is just formed just now off the front edge to the south of where the one that passed through Seminole is. So this is another one, David, that is trying to form right here. I just crossed 270. I'm just north of Lima right now and headed towards Dixon. And so I just crossed Highway 270. I'm just north of Lima, and I'm west, southwest of Lima here, and shooting back to the north. And you just saw another tornado form off the edge of this storm, David, as it passed through and over Seminole. Jim Gardner live from Bob Mills, Scotty's 9, back to you.
Okay, all right, great job, Jim. So tornadoes continue to form. Tornadoes continue to form, right? And that's what it looks like right now. You're thinking, what are we looking at here? There's a suction spot trying to develop. Right here is where Jim's had the tornado. It's right here. Okay, let me show you some quick video here of the greenhouses northwest of Maud that were being hammered with the tornado here. Control room, bring that video up. We had this live on the air. Let's go back to that video here if we can bring it up. Look at that vortice. Look at that. Look at the vortice. Look at the condensate. This is just condensate. This is water vapor on the ground going over the greenhouses. Watch the trailer flip. Watch the trailer. This is why you leave a trailer and you got to get out of it. Watch the greenhouses. And then right up here, look at the vortice. Watch it moving through. Watch these trailers right here. Watch this right here. Trailer gets knocked over. Trailer rolls. Trailer rolls. It rolls right there. We've lost, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 trailers right there. That's when it was northwest of Maud. There goes your debris. And the race is on. It was producing tornadoes, though, well before it got to Maud. That's why we were jumping up and down. There's the tornado there. Multiple vortice tornado. It's a merry-go-round, and everything's spinning, 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 hard and fast, okay? All right, let's get back to it here. Links 3, control room. And the tornado now is 1.5 miles northeast of Seminole. Tornado on the ground, right? Tornado on the ground right here. There's your tornado.
And north of State Highway 9.
Yep. And Highway 9.
And about a mile or two east of 377.
Okay. So let's go up north here. Back out of this just a second. Let's talk about what's north. Little, if you live east of Little, 10 miles, you need to be thinking, oh boy, we have problems, and look at the hook, right? This is our problem right here. This is going to go just east of Little, in between Little and Cromwell, okay? But if you folks live in Cromwell, listen up. Safe spot, lowest level. And we'll get a storm track on that, and we also have another couple of beasts. I'm just looking down south, coming into western Oklahoma. We're on those. Tornadoes on the ground in northwest Texas, coming into southwest Oklahoma. We have trackers down there. They're not here yet. We'll talk about it. Hang on. Okay, let's do a storm track on that, Cassie. Let's bring it all the way in, Cass. Let's bring it all the way in. And yep. Good job. Okay, so
gotta adjust the speed real quick.
Okay, that's fine.